What's up, y'all? Dominoes 7 here, still with Shannon. She took her glasses off. Cause you're tired, huh?
Yes.
Wow. You been up all night?
No.
Or are you just tired?
I go to school during the week.
Oh, no wonder why you're tired and you study a lot. You know what? Not use that sprayed, but I guess next time you'll bring your jacket, huh? Yeah, look at the camera sometime, you know. Oh, you look at the camera, huh? You're like, are you recording me? Oh my God, he's recording me. Well, you gonna watch that video one day, yeah? Yeah. Yes, indeed, Shannon. What a day. So you're not gonna have time to watch this video tonight,
Right.
cause you're gonna be sleeping all night, all day, cause you have a lot of studying to do, right?
No, not this weekend. I just got to be back here tomorrow.
Oh, all right. Well, whatever test you have, I hope you pass it.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Cause I mean, because you start school, I want you to finish. Cause guess what? You drop out of school, you let me down. You know. Yes, indeed. I shouldn't say that. I shouldn't say your business on the show.
It's okay.
Okay. Yes, indeed. Watching Loud House. You don't really watch that, huh?
How do you know what this is?
Well, I don't watch this cartoon anyway. I only watch Sanjay and Craig. You know, you heard of Sanjay and Craig? I made an announcement on my show a few years back about Figure It Out and Sam and Cat, and the viewer told me I forgot about Sanjay and Craig, and I told him I don't like Sanjay and Craig. Well, anyway, all right. Golly. Okay, so get a little close up of you. All right, all right then. That's all for now. SmackDown vs. Raw 2009 featuring ECW. WCW NWO Revenge. All right. You don't know you never watched pay-per-view before. You was too young for that anyway. Oh well. Todd, that's for now.